Welcome, millionaires and billionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey to crypto. Welcome, new subscribers and new viewers. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to join the Ghost Ledger community, the Telegram. This is one of the biggest projects that is due to launch very soon. You don't want to miss the pre-sale, guys. The link is in the description below, as well as the website. The link for the Telegram is here, and as well as the Twitter page. Do follow it. This is gonna be a monster project, guys. You don't want to miss out. So we're gonna jump into the charts, guys. We're gonna make some analysis. Like I've stated before, this is another prediction that has come true with the VDeFi coin. As you can see, this is the 4-hour chart, guys. That's a huge candle on the 4-hour charts. And I've always stated, in the bull run, everything will pump. As you can see, the buying is still disabled with VDeFi because I understand what's going to happen with it. So there were no buys, and as you can see, it was all sells. We've allowed everyone to get out, and then we've disabled sales. So as you can see, the coin is playing on its own, which is what I've always keep telling you guys: keep holding, don't sell your coins. And if you're not in, there's no way you can get in, at least until it removes 3 zeros, and then that's when we'll re-enable buying again. Because as you can see, the burning is now taking effect, and expect the same thing for Lunar Rebirth as well. It's about to skyrocket, as well as VDeFi coin, guys. So if you missed out on these opportunities, join the Telegram for the Ghost Ledger, so that way you don't miss out on another greater opportunity. As you can see, like I said, once we remove, it's gonna do its own thing. I don't have to do anything. We don't have to do anything with the coin. Just let the market do what it's gonna do. And most people don't believe it's the bull run. Most people can't really make a precise prediction in the market anyway, because they are missing some key information. It's like everyone have puzzle pieces that they're trying to complete a picture, but they're missing so many puzzle pieces that they can't see the entire picture. So this is where there's no way for them to make a proper analysis or accurate prediction of the market. I mean, on a micro scale, which is like the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4-hour charts, there's no way to really predict it, because it's going to move up and down, but you can with the help of indicators. This is the whole point of reading charts. You can make precise prediction of the market, but some people do have excuses, as far as you say the market's going to crash, and then the markets keep pumping, then they make excuses as why it's going the opposite way. It's because they're missing some key information as well. So I have some big plans, guys, and big surprises coming up. So be expecting that. We're gonna jump into Bitcoin and see what the market is actually doing. So we made a previous video earlier saying that we did see a double bottom on the 4-hour, and we should see a continuation pump to the upside, guys. So let's erase this, clear the chart up a little bit. Yeah, short term, the market's gonna keep climbing, guys. Remember, we are looking at things on a longer time frame, so we can make a proper analysis, because we do swing trades. So we would like to look at things on at least 12-hour, the daily chart, and the 3-day chart, and the weekly chart. And as you can see, Bitcoin is heading toward the resistance area, and it should be breaking it with force, with a nice pump. So expect once Bitcoin breaks above the 24K level, guys, around these levels, which is the resistance area, and then it's a confirmation that we're heading to 30k and then eventually 40k. Remember, once it gets to 40k, prepare to take profits from your investments, whatever coins you're holding, because we are expecting a black swan event, which should bring crypto collapsing down in Bitcoin, possibly getting into the lower levels of 10k, 8k. It's a possibility of even getting into the 5k areas, because everything is predictable. Life is predictable. If you have all the key information, all you need is information, and all you need is data. When you have a proper analysis, a proper prediction of anything, not just the charts, but in life in general, and this is how you can predict the future as well. So reading the charts, it takes some skills, it takes some experience, but once you do have the experience, then it becomes easier to understand. So, and this is the plan for us guys, to just be able to look at the naked charts and know where price will go. So short term, Bitcoin is slowly climbing up, and eventually we're going to see a nice breakout, and then everyone's still going to be in, some people will still be in denial that it's not the bull run. The bull run is here, guys. You don't have to look at the charts to see the bull run is here. Just look at world events, economic events, especially look at the banks. The banks are failing. When the banks fail, they have to look for other place to put the money, which is they can't put it in stocks, because stocks will lose their value very quickly. So if you are in stocks, I recommend getting out of stocks. Whatever stocks you hold, liquidate them and get into crypto, because crypto is the only hedge against inflation, and we're about to see inflation skyrocket like no other. Previous videos I've stated you will see a loaf of bread in your area soon, about $500 US dollar, and it's going to keep climbing until the US dollar becomes so worthless that $1,000 can't even buy you a meal for a day. So get into crypto, guys. Crypto is about to explode. We are in the bull run. We just have to look out for a few black swan events, and also look for the corrections before they happen, because the chart's going to tell you that when the correction is going to happen anyway. So once we have the information to make the proper analysis, just surround yourself with the right group, with knowledge and information, so you have all the puzzle pieces to make accurate investment decisions. And usually I don't claim that the videos I make is not financial advice. It is financial advice, because I'm pretty confident of what I say, and I know where the market is going as well. So most of my recommendations, you will not lose money, guys. So think long term as well as an investor. Don't think short term as well. So we also made a video right around these areas, where we did mention that yesterday we made a video which was the how to trade, where Bitcoin was around these areas. I've mentioned that if the resistance was here at the trend line, which is a moving average, if it did not get above the white line, then it would come back down and retest the 20k. But as we can see, it flushed through the resistance around these levels, which is around the 22k 300, 400. So now we are expecting it to flush through the next resistance, which is at 24k, and then we're heading to 30k and then 40k. So a lot of people are still waiting on a sideline, thinking 30k, but you're gonna miss a nice opportunity, a nice pump upward before that happens. Eventually, yes, those who's claiming 10k Bitcoin or below Bitcoin, they'll get it eventually, because USDT will crash, and then that's going to bring the market tumbling down as well. So you don't have to wait until until it gets to 10K to make some money. So just, you know, have the skills to read the charts, know when to take profits, know when to exit the market. This is the main purpose of Visionary DeFi as well, is knowing when to take profits, so we are not trading the market blindly, guys. So like I said, if you are new to the channel, join the Telegram, so that way, because we're millionaires and billionaires, guys, the wealth transfer is here. Like I said, some people are a little bit impatient, but you can't rush the process, guys. The universe is gonna do what it's gonna do. It's gonna align things and everything is going to happen when they're supposed to happen. So there is no way to try to rush the process. Things are going to happen exactly when they're supposed to happen and how they are supposed to happen. So I've learned that a hard way many times, where I'm trying to rush the process, I'm trying to rush things, make things happen faster, but it end up working just thinking of it, it end up working the opposite way. Trying to rush things, it just retards process. So I'll see you guys in the Telegram. VDeFi coin is pumping, so it's time to celebrate, guys. That means we are definitely in the bull run. When the coins with a lot of zeros start pumping like these without anyone buying, guys, let's just make you aware that you can clearly look at the charts. No one's buying, and the chart is just pumping. So I'll see you guys in the Telegram, guys. Peace.